Canelo Alvarez ducks Jermall Charlo. So, after Canelo Alvarez had his big lawsuit with DAZN and Golden Boy, Al Heyman came in and offered him a 3-fight deal for $75 million. The first fight in the deal was Caleb Plant, which they both agreed upon. Canelo Alvarez had no problem fighting Caleb Plant, but the second fight in the deal was to fight Jermall Charlo at a catchweight of 165.5 pounds. Canelo Alvarez rejected to fight Jermall Charlo. He says that I will not agree to a fight like that. I don't know, folks, man. The evidence is clear. This story was published on the Ring magazine. It's not like I'm bringing it from some random forum. And Canelo Alvarez just went out there and said, you know what? I'd fight Caleb Plant, but I'm not fighting Charlo. I'm shocked, to be honest, because if you had to ask me who would win that fight, I'd clearly favor Canelo. As many of you know, I only think one guy at 154 through 168 has a chance against Canelo. That's David Benavidez. I don't think Charlo has much of a chance against Canelo. But this made me rethink everything. Why would Canelo duck this fight? If we want to be honest with ourselves, Canelo hasn't made a career of him fighting prime fighters. Top prime fighters. He usually goes for Sergey Kovalev, who was 37. Gennady Golovkin, who was 36. He goes for those type of fights. Miguel Cotto, who was 36. He's not really known to fight top fighters in their prime. The only two that come to mind are Austin Trout and Erislandy Lara. But both of those guys weren't punchers. But you still gotta give him props for taking on both fights. Both fights, people, many people thought he wouldn't take, but he took them, and he won both. Even though a lot of people thought the others deserved the victory in those fights, both Trout and Lara. But no, I scored both fights. I thought Canelo edged both fights. So tell me what you guys think. Do you guys because it can't be on me. Many of you claim that I hate Canelo, but this isn't on me. This is Canelo Alvarez himself ducking the Charlo fight. Let me know what you guys think below. Like and subscribe, please. And yeah, comment what you think.